Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share this with you today. It's the Dior Jolie top handle bag. Now, I was looking for a new bag. I started off looking in Chanel and there was really nothing that jumped out at me. I didn't love the champagne gold. I didn't like the matte. I was looking for something that wasn't lambskin. I have the lambskin Lady Dior. Love her, love the finish, but it just doesn't wear. It's not durable. It scratches easily. So for me, I really always try and look for caviar leather wherever possible. So that was the first thing I said when I went into Dior. I was like, I don't know what I want. I feel like I know when I see it. I'm very decisive once I see things, but I said one caveat is it either has to be a caviar leather or a very durable leather. So they showed me quite a few different things and I got it down to 3. One was a Lady Dior. It was the small, not the medium, and it was in the most beautiful burgundy, exotic. I'm not sure what the material is. I'll put that on the screen once I've looked it up. So very durable. The other one, absolutely love, definitely on my wish list, was the Himalayan Lady Dior. Oh my God, it was stunning. It almost had a slight bronzy gold tinge to it, but that was just a little bit too much out of my price range. Definitely on my wish list, absolutely gorgeous. But I also didn't know how much use I'd get out of a white Himalayan bag. I just feel like it's more of a summer bag, whereas this, because it's in black, I feel like it's such a versatile color. You can wear it year round. Here she is. And what really sold me on this was the pearl details on it. So it has not only a pearl on the logo, but on the handles. So I will get to that. But the reason I got this size, so the Dior Jolie bag comes in 2 sizes. This is the small, which is the larger of the 2. And I just feel like it's a bag that's large enough for the daytime, but also small enough to use as an evening bag without looking like you're using your daytime bag. And it almost looks like lambskin. It does look very, very smooth. I love the canage. I love their stitching. I think it's really classic. But I just thought it was perfect size for day to night. So very, very versatile color. And the caviar leather is going to be durable, I hope anyway. But some of the cool features of this, I still got the stickers on. I'll take the stickers off at the end. So to undo the bag, there is a little push button at the bottom. You push and it releases the clasp. I apologize, I'm full of cold, so I sound very, very nasally. Then inside, there is a flap like there is, a bit like on the saddle bag and on some of the Lady Dior's. There is a front section there. You have the middle section, you have a zippered section, and then you have another back section. So I do like that it has compartments. And then also inside, you have your authenticity guarantee. So that is where it says, we certify this article has been manufactured according to the most rigorous quality standards and conformity with the image of our brand name. You have your little booklet, and you have on the inside a little piece of paper that says Dior 47. And then one of the other selling features for me was the amount of different ways you can carry it. So you have the top handle, you can carry it as a traditional top handle. You have the shoulder strap, you can carry it as a shoulder strap. You can also double that up and make it a much shorter shoulder strap so it can be worn more like that. You can also remove the shoulder strap and the top handle. So you could use it as a clutch, you could use it as just a top handle without the chains, or you could use it as a shoulder bag or crossbody bag without the top handle, because some people have mentioned they don't like the look of the bag when it's worn as a shoulder bag with the top handle flapping down. So if you don't like it, just take it off. Really, really easy. Such a versatile bag. Okay, so what fits in the small Dior Jolie bag? We will see. So I have the iPhone 17. That fits in there, no problem. Sunglasses case. That fits in there. And a big bunch of keys. That fits in there too. So it's a good size bag for, let me just do it up to show you, it does do up as well. It's a good size bag for the day. You're getting everything you need in there. Color-wise, if you don't want a black bag, it does also come in latte, which is basically white and powder beige. So winter and summer colors, just really, really good neutrals. Styling-wise, I feel like you could style this bag literally with everything. You could wear it with jeans and a t-shirt as easily as you could with a cocktail dress. If I was wearing it with a gown, I would definitely take off the top handle and I would probably use either the pearl strap or use it as a clutch just to make it look a little bit more elegant and not like your basic structured top handle bag. but that's another thing I love about it. It's so well structured. So which is better, the Lady Dior or the Dior Jolie bag? There are lots of similarities between the Lady Dior and the Dior Jolie, but one is the winner to me. Now, both the Lady Dior and the Dior Jolie bags are classic structured top handle bags with the iconic Dior canage stitching. The medium Lady Dior is obviously bigger than the small Dior Jolie, but they're both practical size bags that work for both the day and the night. Where the Dior Jolie excels is that it's made of caviar leather, not lambskin, so it's more durable. I also find it a lot easier to get into than Lady Dior's small top opening. Whereas the Lady Dior has protective feet on the bottom. I wish were on the Jolie, and it also comes in a lot more colours than the Dior Jolie. It's also an icon. It's so hard to choose and say which is better, which is why I have both. But if you're hard wearing on your bag and want something easy to get into and feminine with those lovely pearl details, go for the Dior Jolie bag. If you're looking for a classic investment piece and for more colour and size options, go for the Lady Dior. So the main selling points for the Dior Jolie bag for me were the size of it. This is such a versatile size I can use for day to night. The material, that caviar leather, is durable. The color is really practical. The amount of ways that you can carry it, and I just love the aesthetic. So that for me was a winner. If you want to check out the different sizes, I've linked both of them below with the descriptions for the sizes for both. The smaller, there isn't a huge difference in it. I just felt that was definitely more of an evening bag, but I guess it depends on how much you carry around with you. Anyway, if you have any questions on this bag, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and hopefully I'll try and answer them for you. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a quick thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.